Okay, just let the air out of the booth, pulled my parts out. These are fully dry. So I only painted but these pieces, and I got one, oh. So I only painted but these pieces and my two brake calipers that are sitting right here. So I gotta tape up my rim and my rear swing arm, and I'm gonna paint those next. But first I wanna go ahead and get my forks on and get my brakes on. So we're gonna set up right here. I'm gonna take some of my tape off so I can see what's going on. Then we're gonna go ahead and get that put on. That rim came out amazing. So now we're gonna get ready to untape the wheel, untape all the spots where the bolts go, put the rotors on, and then we're gonna mount the rim back on the bike. It is coming together. When it's time to paint, everything looks good. I did the black in the inside, as you can see there. I think it's a nice little touch. I think it's a nice little touch. Just got them today. Trust the process. If you are a person that didn't trust the process, or you did trust the process, and you learned something from any of these videos, go ahead, click the link below and order you Trust the Process t-shirt. You not only did you trust the process, but you also helping a brother out in the channel. So I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for all the love and support. But baby, hey, let's get busy. Man, doesn't that look good? Wow. I am so impressed with this look. Don't this look amazing? If I do say so myself, I can't wait to get this out in the sun to see the true color of this thing. Look at that.